Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about comments, variables, and primitive data types. So first, we need to actually create our Java project. So first, we need to click on File, New, and click on Java Project. For the project name, just type in variables, and I choose the default location for saving my project here, and click on Finish. And as you can see here, my project is created. Okay, now we need to create a Java class for our project. So first click on this src folder, or you can click on this variables project and then click on file, new, and click on class. Okay, now we need to actually enter our class name here. So for the class name, just type in variable and make sure that your class name starts with a capital letter because this is a convention in Java that all your classes should start with a capital letter. Okay, so this is very important. And here for the first time, we're gonna actually enter a package name for our package. And as I said earlier in this section, that package is just a way to actually organize our Java files. Okay, so for the package name, we just need to actually type in a reverse domain. So com.morteza, okay, dot, and at the end we just need to actually enter our project name variables. Okay, and this is a convention in Java that you should actually name your package names, okay, like this, okay, a reverse domain, and at the end just enter your project name. And for the modifiers, just check this public modifier, and here check this checkbox here that says public static void main method. This is a starting point for actually running our Java codes, and click on finish. And here, as you can see, our class is created. And here is our package name. Okay, this is our package name, as you can see here. And in our project directory, when you open the source folder, inside the source folder, there is a package, and this is the package name, as you can see here. And here is the same package name. Okay, so the package name of the class is established by the package statement. Okay, this is our package statement, okay, which must be the first line of a Java program when it is used. Okay, so that's it for packages. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about comments. So as you can see here, this line of text here is a comment. Okay, I can create my own comments too. For example, I can put in two forward slashes, and then I can actually type in, I can enter whatever text that I want. Okay, whatever text that I want. Okay, so what are comments? First, let me point out that comments are one of the most effective ways to improve a program's readability. Okay, these are text included in a program that explains what's going on in the code. Okay, and the Java compiler is gonna actually completely ignore these lines of text, okay, these comments. So what is a compiler? As I said in the previous section, a compiler is a special software. A compiler is an exclusive software that actually convert your Java code into a language that the machine can understand. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some real examples about using comments in your programs. So first of all, I want to show you how to actually make this editor area wider in order to write our codes better. Okay, so in order to make this actually editor area wider, you just need to double click on this variable.java tab here. Okay, as you can see, this editor area is much wider now. And in order to go back to the default screen, just double click on this variable.java here. And as you can see here, this is the default screen. Okay, so now I want to actually output the word hello to the console. Okay, so let's see what happens. System.out.println, and inside the parentheses just put in a two double quotes and just type in hello. Okay, and at the end just put in a semicolon at the end of your statement. And here I want to actually use a comment that explains what this code here is doing. So let's see what comments are. As you can see, I want to actually, I am outputting the word hello to the console. So here, as you can see, this comment here is just explaining what this code, what this statement here is doing, okay? And the compiler completely ignores these comments, okay? So first, let me actually run this program and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the word hello is outputted to the console area, and these comments are completely ignored by the compiler, okay? So it's really good to actually get into the habit of writing comments in your programs. It's gonna make your programs more meaningful for yourself or other programmers that may actually look at your codes in the future, okay? So always use comments in your programs. And we have three kinds of comments in Java. So first of all, we have got a single line comment. So as you can see here, these comments are called single line comment, okay? So in order to create a single line comment, just put in 2 forward slashes and type in your text. For example, this is called a single line comment, okay? And everything from the slashes forward, as you can see here, is called the comment, and it's going to be completely ignored by the compiler, okay? Another type of comment is a multi-line comment. So for example, if I want to create a multi-line comment in my program, I just need to start my multi-line comment with a forward slash and a multiply operator, and then I need to actually end my multi-line comment with a multiply operator and a forward slash. So this is very important. You need to actually start your multi-line comment with a forward slash and a multiply operator or the star symbol, as you can see here. And then we need to end our multi-line comment with a multiply operator and a forward slash. So everything between these two delimiters is considered a comment. So for example, if I just press on the enter key on my keyboard, as you can see here, I can actually put in my text here. So I can just type in here, this is called a multi-line comment, as you can see here, okay? So this line of text here is completely ignored by the compiler, okay? Compiler is gonna ignore everything that we type between these two delimiters, okay? The last type of comments is called Java-like comment, okay? For example, if I want to create a Java-like comment in my program, first I just need to begin my Java-like comment with a forward slash and 2 multiply operators, and then I need to end my Java-like comment with a multiply operator and a forward slash. So as you can see here, everything between these two delimiters is considered a Java-like comment, okay? So for example, if I again press on enter key on my keyboard, as you can see here, I can type in here anything that I want. For example, I can type in here, this is called a Java-like comment. Java-like comment, okay? But we don't use actually Java-like comments in our programs, and Java-like comments are designed to be read by utilities such as JavaDoc, a command line tool that's part of Java Development Kit, JDK, okay? This tool uses official comments to create a set of web pages that document the functionality of a Java class, okay? So we don't actually use this Java comment a lot in our programs, okay? But later I'm going to show you more about comments in our programs. For example, if I don't want to actually execute this line of code here, for example, if I run my program now, you can see that it's going to show me the hello text here. But if I don't want to actually execute this line of code, I can easily comment out this line of code, okay? Now you can see that if I run my program, it's going to show me nothing because this this statement is now commented out. Okay,